let's learn about descriptive text. In learning about descriptive text, we are going to discuss the definition, generic structure, language feature, one example of descriptive text, and quiz. Descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. It describes persons, things, or places in specific. It consists of identification and description. It has specific participant, its use adjective, and simple present tense. Descriptive text can be about people, animals, things, or places. In describing places, you can tell about your favorite places, public places, tourism attraction, or historical places. In this video, we are going to discuss about a historical place, and the example is Borobudur Temple.
Borobudur Temple is one of the most beautiful tourist resorts in Indonesia. It is situated in Central Java. Borobudur Temple is one of the 7 wonders of the world which needs to be preserved its circumstances. The people all over the world know that Borobudur is one of the greatest artworks that ever known since long time ago. Borobudur Temple was built by Shailendra dynasty during the 8th century. It needed more than 2 million river stones. After going into some restorations, Borobudur is visited by more and more tourists, both domestic and foreign tourists. Most of them admire Borobudur Temple because of its beauty, its elegance, and the story of the relief. Domestic tourists usually go there by bus or private cars, while foreign tourists like to join travel bureau because they don't need to think of the transportation, accommodation, and itinerary. There are some money changes around the location. It makes them easier to change their money, but some of them like to bring credit cards and checks.
It's time for quiz. Number 1. What is the purpose of the checks? Number 2. Why do tourists admire Borobudur Temple? Number 3. Why does Borobudur Temple have to be preserved? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.